And welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today we're going to talk about how to make ginseng tea for better health. We've talked about ginseng in a couple of the videos where we really dive deep on the health benefits and on the side effects and the ways to use ginseng in all its parts as well. So if you're interested in the whole playlist about ginseng, I will link the playlist in the description box below this video. Let's get started. Subscribe to the channel for more videos such as these. Ginseng is a popular herb that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine, especially when it comes to traditional Chinese medicine, to promote overall better health. And it's believed to have a number of benefits. There's also clinical trials, you can search them up on ginseng. The main benefits of ginseng include increased energy, reducing stress, and improving overall health and well-being. One popular way to use ginseng is by making a simple ginseng tea. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of how to make ginseng tea for better health. The first step is to choose high quality ginseng. The first step is to make ginseng tea is to make sure that the ginseng that you're using is of high quality. Look for one that is organic, non-GMO, and really high quality of a brand that you trust. You can purchase ginseng root in whole or powdered form. So for a tea, you would ideally want to use the whole form as well. The second step to make ginseng is to prepare your ginseng root. So if you're using the whole ginseng root, you need to prepare it before making the tea. The root should be washed if you're using it fresh, and you should cut it into small pieces. If you're using powder or if you're using the dried ginseng root, then you can easily skip this step. The third step is to boil the water. I want you to bring the water or bring a pot of water to a boil. The amount of water that you use will depend on how much tea you want to make, obviously. And the fourth step is to add the ginseng. And once the water is boiling, add the ginseng root to the pot. And the ratio of ginseng to water will depend on your personal preferences. But as a general rule and guideline, you can use 1 or 2 grams of ginseng root per cup of water. The fifth step is to steep. So allow the ginseng to steep in the boiling water for, let's say, about 10 to 15 minutes. If you prefer a stronger tea, then you can steep it for longer. But if you're having the ginseng for the first couple of times, I highly advise you to let it steep for about 10 minutes or so and then drink and enjoy. Of course, not before you do the straining step, which is step number 6, is to strain. Once the tea is finished steeping, strain the liquid, discard the ginseng. And the 7th and final way is to enjoy. Your ginseng tea is now ready for you to drink, and you can enjoy it hot or cold. You can also add honey, stevia, or lemon to taste. In regards to storing any leftover tea, just in case if you made a big batch, you can store it in the refrigerator for about 3 days. Now it's important to keep in mind this one information that I want you to know. Ginseng has the potential to interact with certain medication and can have side effects. So be sure to consult with your healthcare professional before consuming ginseng tea if you are on any sort of medications or if you have any health concerns. And ginseng tea is a delicious and easy way to incorporate the benefits of ginseng in your daily routine. Remember to choose a high quality product and steep it for the right amount of time to get the most of its benefits. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. And if you found this video helpful, remember to share, like, and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.